What's the meaning of carafe? Carafe. Carafe.
Carafe. Carafe. A carafe is a glass or ceramic container used for serving beverages, typically wine, water, or coffee. It is designed with a narrow neck and wide base to enhance stability. Carafes can also be used for decorative purposes or as vessels for holding flowers. They are often used in restaurants, hotels, and homes for serving drinks during meals or gatherings. Carafes can come in various sizes and styles, ranging from simple and functional to ornate and artistic. Ultimately, a carafe serves as a practical and elegant way to hold and serve beverages.